Rave City. I'm your girl Cutie Boo, and we're here chilling at Mackey's Sports Bar and Grill. Stay tuned for our top 20 countdown, interviews, throwback video, and video premiere. For number 20 is Massacre Time.
It's like God spend a little more time for you. Tell them where you get that body that you want with. Come here, make me wine for you.
Number 19, Spice Panda Remix.
I got doughs in the banker, shack up my pocket like Blanca. Louis Vuitton sponsor, orange hill ganja, my chain color rose.
Number 18, Tanto Black, Real Rich, Atina.
Rich, 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 real rich, 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 so rich, rich, rich.
Our throwback video for today is Shabba Ranks, World of Girl. Trailer load, trailer load, trailer load, trailer load, trailer load.
Girls, everything. From London, Canada, and the USA. Girls, everything. Don't Shabba, King and Speed,
Number 17 for this week is Star Caliber, Pandy Concrete. That is something Pandy damn concrete.
You girl, not be something girl panny concrete. Not be something girl panny concrete. Set it same way, make it dance, girl. Not be something girl panny concrete.
Number 16, Savage, Kulu Kulu. Y'all, come wine panny Kulu Kulu.
Come wine pani kolo kolo, yeah. Come wine pani kolo kolo. Champagne and bubble they can't fool you. Africa, yeah. Come up like a solo solo, yeah.
And for our number 15 song is Western Union by Vibes Cartel. A fairway money, hustle it, hustle money.
Hustle money, hustling, hustle money.
Number 14, Movado, Progress. Me not in a nut with you if you're not showing no progress.
We not in a nothing with you if you're not showing no progress. Man, figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless.
For number 13 is Vibes Cartel, Fever. Fever, why you not?
Fever, buy your punani.
Wine for me, baby, everything crisp. My good love make you turn and crisp.
Watch Keep Them Talking on Reech TV every Wednesday at 8 p.m. with a repeat on Fridays at 7:30 p.m.
You just bounce from the beat, go.
Watch Keep Them Talking for all your juicy scoops, movie review, music video review, and anything gossip related.
So, I am here with our guest artist, Crazy Mac, and I'll be asking him a few questions just for you guys to get familiar with him and premiering his new music video. So,
Yeah, babe.
Crazy Mark.
Yes, baby
Tell
girl.
us, how did you come by your name?
Well, to tell you the honest truth, you want to know we build a name there. And you don't know due to the fact say we're crazy doing some type of things that people like. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's crazy. And knowing so we're the type of youth where we jovial at the end of the day too. So yeah, we run with friend them and thing and we in our comfort zone. We like run joke and mock people. So that's how we just give name Mock Crazy Mock, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So crazy.
Crazy. But I'm not insane though.
So tell us, how did you start out as an artist?
Well, I started out at Mushat High School, 2000. Yeah, year 2000. Yeah, I went there, have some friends, Chiller, G-Face, Feud, name a few, you know? And yeah, from there we used to do rap music and a lot of stuff like that, you know? So actually I started doing dancehall music 3 years now.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, so what caused you to switch from rap to dancehall?
Well, you already know, baby girl, it's like this. In Jamaica, we born Jamaican. Well, 75% of Jamaican don't really into rap music, yeah? And the other 25% who are into the rap music can't really make me shine in the rap music fraternity in Jamaica.
Right.
You know, so linking with the most rich general, them call him Stunner. And them man, they really make me kind of change from doing rap music. And in a way, I still have to give my rating still a forward because I kind of saw my thing take off on a different level. You understand? So, big up to Stunner. Mad.
Nice.
Yeah.
So Crazy Mark, tell us, where do you see yourself next 5 years from now?
Well, you don't know 5 years from now, I look on, you know, some levels with cartel, you know. You see it, alkaline and popcorn and them on there. Nah lie. You see it, because we are putting in the work. And you don't know, my mother tell me, say, when you're not working, you're not get no pay. So when you put in the work, you don't know much a clock a strike. So 5 years from now, we're way up.
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 So Crazy Mark, I
baby
heard
girl.
that you just released your new music video.
Which is
I'd
right,
like for
you know?
you to introduce it to our audience first, please.
Yeah, them for no Crazy Mac attack, you know, you see it. And I want to have a first video where we ever drop in our lifetime, you see, pray. And I said I want to call friend them and winner them. When you check it out on YouTube, you understand? Give some like and share it same way upon your thing, you see me? Yeah.
Yo, Crazy Mac, you know. See me a session. Hey. I'm gonna tell about my friend them, you know that. Real friend. Watch out now. Hey, hey, you see me friend them, I win at them. So we do roll like the tire on the beam of them. Left boy cool up in a fridge again. When me touch the road, girl, I pray me and my friend them, I win at them. So we do roll like the tire on the beam of them. Left boy cool up in a fridge again. When me touch the road, girl, I pray me and my friend. Tile sick, chicken gun ya, but me don't want to see no doc, me need a nurse. So me can hypnotize her smartly with me words. Then fly her skirt high in the sky like a bird. She never know say I saw me slick. Come me now bow down, come me physically fit. God know me not lie.
Mark,
Yes.
could you just tell us your contact information where your fans can reach you on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever your choice is?
Well, I don't know Facebook. I don't know, we have a fan page, Crazy Mac. You see it, so you just go in and type in that. You find it, you see it, send us some likes and things or some requests and we accept that. I don't know, Instagram, Crazy Mac, same way. You understand? Yeah. Snapchat now, you don't know, a Mac, you see, pray.
So Crazy Mark, introduce our number 12 song for today.
Well, I don't know, number 12 song today, you know, Massacre, you know, Hardball, Roberto Carlos, Bucks.
The boy them start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball, me the sex so we don't worry you can't wall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall.
And for number 11, Ding Dong and Dexter Dab, Coolest Summer.
It's summer, and the coolest summer. Every
coolest summer. This is the coolest summer. No school, it's summer.
Our top 10, Summer 16 by Vibes Cartel.
I got a car full of girls and it's going real slow. And on the beach, everybody want go. And pool party turn up like wow. Everybody feel happy.
Now, number 9, Tanto Black featuring Titimus, Lifestyle Rich. Alla me girl them rich.
My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace pa me wrist. And the ice on the chain in my drip.
Number 8, Ching Ching, roast and fry. Catch it dance, roast and fry.
Roast and fry, catch it down. Roast and fry, breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Tell me if you want roast breadfruit. See it there? Now me apply now.
Number 7, Razor B, broke back. What make you want broke for me back?
What make you want broke for me back? What make you want broke for me back? Hey cat. What make you want broke for me back? What make you want broke for me back? Me ask her. What make you want?
Number 6, Popcorn, Never Sober.
Oh, I'm never sober. Higher than Jehovah. We no care border. And ruling no use a means border.
Number 5, Conscience, broke off your back. Broke off your back.
Broke off your back. If you broke off your back. Girl, you know you got.
Real girls of my bake. Coming soon to Reech TV. Real drama, real vibes, real life.
I turn my chin music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting red in the face. You can call me upset.
Number 4, Spice, Indicator.
Bumper jumping, watch how my bumper jumping. Left, right, bumper jumping. On the body, my bumper jumping. Left, right, bumper jumping. Indicator, bumper jumping.
Number 3, Vibes Cartel, I'll take you there.
Bump around me, walk around. Bend over now if you touch it out. Now you know you're flexible. You feel like you want to fuck.
Number 2, Popcorn, Overdo It.
Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, y'all be say, why make you clean so? Y'all be say, why make you clean so?
And for number 1, the man was say him are the youngest and the baddest, Alkaline, Formula.
For the formula, we making money to the formula. Yeah, that's the formula.
Them they want me here. Leave me alone, no life muck here. Just a go fi do the job, I want me done get the fuck out of here. Me live me young life without no fear. And if me go away, tell my fans them no cry, no tear. My legacy will never die, I swear. Never ball already, I'm a devil, I'm a prime, I swear. Come like my band before my time, I swear. Them say them happy for me, but me know them they want me. Who cut and come back with the formula.